Okay, I'm gonna do another video, and this one is something I've never done before. I've eaten it, I love it, but I found a box of soft shell crab, and so this is a soft shell crab. I don't know if you see it there, and he's awfully small. I know a lot of them are big, but I got a whole box of these things, and this is my first time trying it. And what you have to do, these are already pre-cleaned, so what you have to do is you have to cut the face off, and then you lift the edge and you take the lungs out, and once you do that, it's clean and it's ready to go. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my little grill. I hope the rain is not, there we go, we got it going, and I don't know how much butter to use, so I've cut off a chunk of butter here, and about that much. I'm gonna throw it in the pan and let that melt. I got a little extra butter here that I'll throw in there too, I don't know. And once that starts boiling, or not boiling, once it starts melting and gets melted, I'm gonna put the crab in there and saute him. I'm basically just gonna throw him in there, let him cook. I've got some seasoning. This is it's something somebody brought me from New Orleans. It's called Nunu's Cajun seasoning, the original. I may put a little of that. Primarily I'm going to use Old Bay seasoning. This is good on seafood. I know there's a lot of others that are a lot better than this, but this is good general seasoning to put on things. I don't think it's that hard to cook it. So like I say, right now I just need to get the butter to melt, and probably about 3 minutes or so. Ow. Woo, you got to see me get burned. Ow, that grease or butter is hot. Oh, something always happens with me. So it's starting. I've got my fire on high right now. I'm going to turn it down in just a second. Let's go ahead and do that. Get it turned down. There we go. It's probably a good medium heat. And the butter. So what I'll do is I'm going to put the crab in it, and then I'll sprinkle my seasoning on top of it. So again, here's my crab. He's a little guy. Got his little pinchers there. So alright, so what I'll do, hopefully you can see this. Oh, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put him down in there. I'm going to sprinkle some seasoning. Now it's starting to rain harder, so you may have a little trouble. I'm just going to sprinkle, whoops, that was quite a bit. And we'll take the Old Bay. Can't go wrong with Old Bay. Put that on top of my crab. Get him nice and covered. The other one's pretty salty. Old Bay's a little salty, but not bad. So going to let him sit in that butter and cook. Move him over just a little where the heat, there we go. And so we're just going to let him cook for a bit. Like I say, about 3 minutes or so on each side. I may or may not edit this out just to fast forward and get out of the light. You can see I've got just a little fire going there. Move him around. I don't know how many times uh-oh, he's starting to pop a little bit. I have heard that they'll pop when you cook them. So alright, so anyway, I'm gonna let it cook a little more. I'm gonna flip him over, just kind of move him around in the butter. Like I said, this is my first time cooking soft shell crab, so okay. I wanna, alright. I'm doing it outside because of the Oh yeah, look at him. All right. Got the neighbor's dog barking. Got the guy cutting the weeds with a weed eater in the rain. It looks like we got a little of everything. Alright, he's cooking up really nice though. Yeah, it's smoking. I wouldn't do this in the house. I think you'd be better off going outside to do this. Like I say, I'm just going to kind of feel it out to see how long I think it needs to cook. I don't really know. I know. Whoa! I'm not sure where these crab are from. My guess is probably from Asia. These don't even look like legal sized crab in the U.S., but I bought them in a restaurant. Probably an Asian market. I don't remember now. I've had them for a little while. I didn't put any flour or anything like that on him. All I did was put a little seasoning. They don't even look like blue crab. I'm gonna eat some fiddler crabs or something. I'm just kidding about that. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little. It's getting kind of hot, looks like. So let's turn the heat down. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Definitely smoking a lot. Whoa. Yeah, boy, he's popping good. That's what we really want. But if this turns out good, this is what I'm going to cook for my wife for dinner tonight. Turns out bad, but I'll have to figure out another way. You can flour it. I think a lot of what I've eaten in the past has been floured, but I'm assuming that ought to get tough. I don't want to eat any raw crab. Starting to feel firmer, but hopefully this is getting done. That definitely feels firmer. I like blue crab. That's what I'm used to eating. Living on the Atlantic coast side, that's what we eat. I know Maryland blue crab are delicious. You can get blue crab all up and down the East Coast. where all my butter is. And the fire, the heat of most of the fire is right there. So, so what I'm going to do now, I'm thinking that may be done. It's been in there a while. I don't know how long is enough, but definitely he's been in there a while. So what I'm going to do is take some paper towels, put it down on the plate. I'll lay him down on it. I'm going to turn this off. Let him drain a little bit. There he is. There he is. He's fried, so I'm gonna lay him down on the paper towels. Kind of let some of that butter get off of him. Wrap him up. Like I said, these are small crab, or this is a small crab. That he's definitely very buttery right now. A little crispy. Not exactly what I'd call appetizing, but I'm gonna cut into it and see if it's done. It has to be done. Ooh, it's hot. Now they talk about that being the butter. That's supposed to be good to eat. Let's see. Definitely he looks done. He's hot, or she, I don't know. It's very hot, but if you can see the butter, is what they call it, that yellow stuff inside the crab. And definitely it's done. I'm gonna let it cool off just a little bit, and I'm gonna eat it. I like it in sushi. This is very greasy though. Give an answer yet as to whether it's good or not. See all that white meat up in there? It's too hot to eat right now. I don't know if I did it right or not. It's the first time I've ever cooked soft shell crab. It's definitely got a seafood taste to it. I'm going to put a little more Old Bay on it, just to give it a little Old Bay. The spices seem to have cooked out of it a little bit. Let's try this again. Not bad. For my first time cooking soft shell crab, pretty good. I put a little too much seasoning, the one that's got the salt in it, kind of salty, but not bad. There's the pincher, and that's part of the leg. There's the butter. Pretty good. Not a whole lot left. Well, there it is. My first time doing soft shell crab. I'm not going to say that it's something that, well, I've had better, I guess. But I stir fried these. I sauteed them. All the ones I've ever had have been fried. There's the last little pincher. All right. Very crispy. Well, I hope you liked my video. I'll put it on there, and I'll probably try. I got a whole bunch more. I'm probably going to come back and do a bunch more, but you got to be with me. See me cook and eat my first soft shell crab that I did. All right, signing out. Thanks for watching.